across the room and out again, leaving traces in the atmosphere of little dreams that brought them here. The sunlight hangs on hanging plants. The room is full of second chances. Someone laughs and someone sings. Life is made of simple things. Nobody knows where the day will go, and maybe that's the magic. So let the paper airplanes fly across the painted afternoon sky. Every heart is passing through, looking for a view that's new. No destination, no deadline, just a moment frozen in time. And if tomorrow changes everything, we'll still have these paper wings. The old clock hums above the door like it's heard these tales before. Students, artists, travelers too, bringing pieces of their truth. The stranger writes a melody, another sketches quietly, and somehow all the separate roads meet beneath these amber glows. Nobody knows where the day will go, and maybe that's the magic. So let the paper airplanes fly across the painted afternoon sky. Every heart is passing through, looking for a view that's new. No destination, no deadline, just a moment frozen in time. And if tomorrow changes everything, we'll still have these paper wings. Maybe we're all just passing by like clouds that borrow summer skies, but for a little while we're here, close enough to disappear into stories we won't forget. Even after the sun has set, let the paper airplanes fly higher than the reasons why. Every dream that leaves our hands finds a place to softly land. No destination, no deadline, just a heartbeat keeping time. And if tomorrow changes everything, we'll still have these paper wings. Paper airplanes in the light, paper airplanes out of sight, still they're dancing through the sky long after goodbye.